Leveraging Clickup as a virtual assistant involves optimizing its features to streamline tasks, prioritize work, and enhance organization. Here's a brief guide. Task Management. Utilize Clickup's task management capabilities to create lists for different categories of tasks and assign due dates. Custom Views. Explore different views like list, board, or calendar to visualize tasks in various formats, adapting to your preferred workflow. Priority and due dates. Assign priority levels and due dates to tasks to ensure a focused and organized approach to your work. Use custom fields. Implement custom fields for additional details, categorization, or tracking specific information relevant to your virtual assistant tasks. Checklists and subtasks. Break down complex tasks into checklists or subtasks to manage and track progress more effectively. Communication and comments. Leverage the comments section within tasks for clear communication, updates, and collaboration with team members or clients. Time tracking. Use Clickup's time tracking features to monitor the time spent on tasks, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Integrations. Integrate Clickup with other tools and apps you use, creating a seamless workflow for file sharing, communication, or additional functionalities. Goal setting. Set goals and milestones within Clickup to track your progress and achievements as a virtual assistant. Regular review. Regularly review and update your tasks, making adjustments based on changing priorities or evolving project requirements.